Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make brioche pancakes. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, in a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, instant dry yeast, and salt. Make sure the salt doesn't touch the yeast or it will kill it. And whisk them until they're combined. Then add in the warm milk and melted butter and mix them in until they're combined. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for at least 1.5 hours until it's risen and bubbly. You can even make this the night before and let it rest overnight, and it will develop the best flavor that way. After it has rested, beat the eggs and egg yolks in a small bowl. Add them into the batter and mix them in gently until it's combined. Then heat up a griddle or skillet on the stove over medium-low heat until it's hot. You'll know it's ready when you sprinkle some water on the pan, and it should evaporate immediately or skid across the pan before evaporating. Then you'll know it's hot enough. So when it's ready, coat the pan in butter and add scoops of the batter into the pan. And cook them for a minute or two until it starts to cook around the edges and the bottom is golden brown. Then flip them over and cook the other side until it's golden brown. When they're done, remove them from the pan, and I like to place them on a cooling rack instead of a plate so the bottom doesn't get too soft or soggy. And just continue cooking the rest until all the batter is used up. And you can serve them with whatever you like. I'm adding some sliced strawberries, sliced bananas, whipped cream, and maple syrup. And that's how to make brioche pancakes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.